Hello viewers, welcome to Amul, the Taste of India, simple homemade recipe Facebook live section. And I'm so happy to see you all guys in this good Monday evening. I want to thank Amul team for giving great opportunity to me. And happy World Baking Day to all juvenile bakers, best bakers and professional bakers. Myself Neelamri and I'm from Pondicherry, South India. I'm a medical student and I'm having one YouTube channel named Pondipils. So you guys watch the videos there and support me. Today I'm going to make one recipe with chocolate. I think most of the people love chocolate. Kids, teenage, even some boys also love chocolate nowadays. So today I'm going to make one Italian cuisine dessert, that is panna cotta. In panna cotta there is lots of flavor. Today I'm going to make epic chocolate panna cotta by using Amul product. For making chocolate panna cotta I have taken gelatin, milk, cocoa powder and Amul whipping cream, Amul dark chocolate. I already chopped the chocolate finely. Then Amul milk chocolate. That's also I already chopped. For garnishing I have taken Hershey's syrup. Then these are the main ingredients we need to make. These are the main ingredients to make chocolate panna cotta. First I want hot water. For that reason I'm on the kettle for hot water. Then I take one bowl. In this bowl I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of gelatin. In this 1 tablespoon of gelatin I am going to add 2 tablespoons of water. Yeah, this much I added. Before mix, I am going to add this in a hot water. I think now water is ready. Yeah, this heat is okay. Now I am going to add this. In a bowl, I am collecting water from kettle. Then I am going to place this and stir this for gelatin dissolve. I am not adding hot water or warm water directly because I don't want to spoil or lose the effectiveness of gelatin. If I had too hot water means gelatin lose the effect. For that reason only I am doing like this. Little more gelatins are there to dissolve. It will take 5 to 7 minutes. Don't put lots of hot water in this. Okay, let's dissolve. I'm messaging to the participants, those who are watching my live section. Deepti Panwala Butwala, nice, thank you. Mona Davar Mona, Kitna, hi. Rinku Singha, hello Rinku. Okay, this start to dissolve. We have to stir this 2 more minutes. Okay. Finally, gelatin dissolved and looks softened. Now I'm going to keep this aside. And turn on the flame. Keep the flame in moderate, no more high and no more low. And now I'm going to place saucepan in this. And I'm going to add 1 glass of milk. That is 100 ml, I think so. Yeah. I'm keeping flame in flame. In this, I'm going to add Amul whipping cream. Amul whipping cream, 30% fat, pure fat milk I'm going to add. This also I'm going to add 1 glass, that is 100 ml. Looking so creamy. Okay, fine, this much enough. Now I'm going to add this. Now I'm going to stir this. Keep the flame in moderate. Milk has not to boil, for just have to heat. For that reason I'm doing like this. Okay. Keep the flame in moderate, just dissolving, just cook. Whipping cream smells well, comes well. I love that smell. Now I'm going to add 2 spoons of granulated sugar. 1 spoon and 2 spoons, this much enough. And I'm going to add just half teaspoon of cocoa powder for flavor I like. Added. Now we have to stir this until sugar and cocoa powder dissolve. Dissolve well, without any clumps will come. If you adding cocoa powder means you just strain the mesh and then you add it, or else it will come clumsy. And you can also powder sugar also. Okay, in this stage I am going to turn off the flame. I am turn off the flame and keep it here. Now I am going to add 50 gram of milk chocolate. Yeah, I am just keeping just for some small thing for toppings. Now I am going to add dark chocolate. This is also I'll take 50 gram. Okay. Let's stir this. Actually, many of the people facing difficult to set up panna cotta properly. Sometimes gelatin didn't dissolve well when combined with the milk. Then it also possible that the gelatin was added over the heat when the cream mixture was too warm. When high amount of heat hit the gelatin means it loses the thickening power. For this reason only I am first dissolving chocolate and I am gonna mix gelatin. Now chocolate fully dissolved. And if you want to set up properly panna cotta means you have to keep settle time in the refrigerator. Some people take soon, for that reason also panna cotta doesn't set it up well. Actually, the chocolate smell is welcoming. In this, I added Amul Top Chocolate only. They presented 55% rich in cocoa and natural source of antioxidant. You can use this chocolate for dark chocolate preference, because whenever I try, I took this chocolate only. Then milk chocolate also, you can use whatever chocolate you like. Not only this chocolate, you can use Belgian chocolate or some chocolate chips also you can use. That's your wish. Okay, chocolates are all dissolved well. Chocolates are all dissolved well. Like this you have to keep. There is look, there is no clumsy in this chocolate. Like this you have to make, and milk should be cool and tight. Then I am going to add now gelatin mix. Yeah, here it is. Look, this is so soft, and in this kit you have to add this. I'm adding now gelatin crystals. I added. Now I'm going to stir up this also until dissolve. The main thing you have to concentrate in the panna cotta is you have to dissolve all the things in very well. In this I have added milk and whipping cream. Next gelatin mix, then sugar, then cocoa powder. If you want to add that name vanilla extract also you can add, but that's one is the option. If you doing without chocolate panna cotta, you doing vanilla extract means no need to add chocolate at all. You just need to add vanilla extract only. Okay, now all the things are dissolved well. You can see in this stage I have taken 2 bowls. Finally all set. all set. Now I'm taking 2 cups. If you use muffins or glass, whatever you like. I'm going to pour this now. After this step, you have to clean up the cups with the wraps and refrigerate for 4 to 6 hours, or else overnight is enough. I have already done the chocolate panna cotta to see after refrigerate how it will come. Wait, let us take and come. I keep this aside. This is fully ready. I placed this after 5 hours, I think so. Look, you have to wrap the cover like this. Now I'm taking this hot water ready and washing this. Now I'm taking the rubber band and show us how it looks. I'm opening this too. It's looking so creamy and richy, I think. Looks and smells good. You can serve this with 2 ways. You can serve this with 2 ways. Directly topping in the... I'm using Hershey syrup for garnishing. Yeah, looks nice. Yeah, like this you can serve. And another way you can serve it like keep this bowl in a hot water. It helps to lose the tightness of the cups. Just wait a minute. I keep the bowl in the hot water, then with the help of knife, I'm loosening the edge. Then I'm going to place this. Takes time to come. Yeah, perfect panna cotta came. For garnishing, I'm using Hershey syrup here. Yeah, this like panna cotta come. Finally, the richy and delicious and creamy chocolate panna cotta ready. So you guys also try this out. And this is a very simple step. I'm going to recap now. First I take one saucepan and I added 100 ml of milk. Then I added 100 ml of Amul whipping cream. In that I added half teaspoon of cocoa powder for flavor. Then I'm used 2 spoon of granulated sugar, or else you can powdered sugar as what you want you can do. Then I'm stirred until all the things are dissolved. Then I added 50 gram of dark chocolate and 50 gram of milk chocolate. Then I stirred that too. Then I poured the gelatin mix which I used. This is a procedure to make chocolate panna cotta. This is a very easy step to all can do, and you can do it in home also. It's very easy. Then in this pandemic time, please be safe in home and use mask whenever you go outside, and please use dual mask. In this second way, using dual mask is a very wanted thing to all guys, and sanitize your hand frequently. Then I'm going to see who are on message. If there is doubts means I'm replying. Okay, I think Ram Kumar Mandoi, Ruchi Singh, hi. Ruchi Singh, hello. Ram Kumar Mandoi, good evening. Okay, I think there is no doubt. If there are any doubts means you can message me. You can comment. I can reply on that. This much only. So you also try this out and keep this in mind. You have to refrigerate for 4 to 6 hours overnight to come perfect panna cotta. This is I'm very big fan of this panna cotta because of this richness and creamy. First of all, I have to thank to this part. I'm in the live section for Amul team, and you can buy that. In this epic thing, I love Amul milk chocolate very much because that's my favorite one to eat. So that's all. I'm standing off from this live section, and once again, thank you Amul team for this great opportunity. Okay, bye bye.